Hello student, this is NCERT Maths class 10th exercise 3.1 question number 2. The coach of a cricket team buys 3 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3900. Later she buys another bat and 3 more balls of the same kind for rupees 1300. Represent this situation algebraically as well as geometrically. So सबसे पहले देखते हैं algebraically. Let cost of one bat is cost of one bat equals to rupees x and cost of one ball equals to rupees y. Now according to question, cost for 3 bat, that is 3x, and 6 balls, that is 6y, is 3900. That is x plus 2y equals to 1300. Again according to question, cost for one bat and 3 ball, that is x plus 3y equals to 1300. So algebraically we can represent the situation as x plus 2y equals to 1300 and x plus 3y equals to 1300. This is the answer. Now see the situation graphically. So we have to draw the graph of these two equations. So for first equation, that is x plus 2y equals to 1300, make a table for x and y, so if we put x equals to 0, then we get y equals to 650. Similarly for x equals to 1300, y is 0. For second equation, that is x plus 3y equals to 1300, if we put x equals to 700, then we get y equals to 200, and for x equals to 400, we get y equals to 300. Now with the help of these points we can draw the graph. So first point is 0, 650. Let's 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600 and 700. So 650 is between 600 and 700. So we will get a point 0, 650. Similarly, we need another point 0, 1300. And 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 1300. That is this point. So we get another point 1300, 0. So draw a graph for this line like this. Again for the second equation, we need first point as 700, 200. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 200. That is, this point is 700, 200. Now another point is 400, 300. 400, 300, that is this point. This point is 400, 300. Now draw the line by joining these two points.